Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we untangle the confusing language of corporate finance so you don't have to. Today we are looking at QXO Incorporated filings. Get ready because we are about to uncover what is really going on behind the scenes, and it might be a little more interesting than you think. So, QXO Incorporated dropped a report on the 15th of January 2026. This is a current report, essentially a Form 8K, that signals something important has happened that the public needs to know about. Think of it as a company's way of shouting out big news. This report is all about QXO Inc., a company incorporated in Delaware. They are traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbols QXO for their common stock and QXO PRB for their depository shares. One of the main reasons for this filing is to announce some preliminary financial results for the quarter that ended the 31st of December 2025. This is usually a preview of how they performed financially. Did they make money, lose money, how are things looking? But that is not all. The report also touches on a pretty significant event that happened earlier on the 29th of April 2025. QXO completed a big acquisition, meaning they bought another company. This acquired company was formerly known as Beacon Roofing Supply Incorporated, and it is now called QXO Building Products Incorporated. This is a major move that can really change a company's financial picture. Because of this acquisition, the company is providing what they call unaudited pro forma combined financial information. Basically, this means they are showing what the combined financial results of QXO and QXO Building Products would have looked like if the acquisition had happened earlier. They are giving us a look at the combined company's potential performance, not just QXO on its own. This pro forma information is for the year ending the 31st of December 2024 and for the 9 months ending the 30th of September 2025. It is like looking at a what-if scenario to understand the impact of bringing these two companies together. The press release announcing these preliminary financial results is also included as Exhibit 99.1. This is where you would find the actual financial numbers they are sharing. Then, Exhibit 99.2 contains that crucial unaudited pro forma combined financial information we just talked about. This is the heart of understanding how the combined entity is shaping up. And to wrap things up, the report is signed by Ihsan Essed, who is the Chief Financial Officer. This tells us the financial leadership is behind this information. Now, let's dig into what these numbers might actually mean. The filing mentions preliminary financial results for the quarter ending the 31st of December 2025. While the 8K filing itself doesn't contain the detailed financial tables directly, it refers to a press release and pro forma information. What we can infer is that QXO is reporting early numbers which suggest they are either very confident or need to get information out quickly. The fact that they are providing pro forma information means they are heavily emphasizing the impact of the merger with QXO Building Products. This acquisition is clearly a massive part of their current strategy and future outlook. Investors will be watching closely to see how well these two entities are integrating and if the promised synergies from the merger are materializing. The pro forma statements are where the real story lies for understanding the combined business. While we don't have direct access to those specific numbers in this provided text, the intent of filing them is to give a clearer picture of the combined company's financial health and performance trajectory. We should be looking for trends in revenue growth, profitability, and cost management in those pro forma statements. Are revenues growing significantly after the merger? Are costs being controlled effectively to improve profit margins? These are the key questions that information would answer. Considering the acquisition of a company like Beacon Roofing Supply, we are likely looking at a business that operates in construction materials, distribution, or related services. These industries can be cyclical and sensitive to economic conditions. Therefore, it is important to see how QXO's combined entity is navigating the current economic environment. Are they gaining market share? Are they facing increased competition? The pro forma numbers, when available for review, will offer clues. Now, looking at the broader picture, QXO seems to be in a phase of significant transformation driven by this acquisition. The company is clearly betting big on this merger to fuel future growth. A key risk here is the execution of the integration plan. Merging two large companies is complex and can lead to operational disruptions, culture clashes, and failure to achieve expected cost savings or revenue enhancements. Another opportunity lies in leveraging the combined company's scale and expanded reach to offer a wider range of products and services, potentially gaining a stronger competitive advantage. In conclusion, QXO's latest filing highlights a company undergoing a major strategic shift through a significant acquisition. Investors should focus on the detailed pro forma financial information to assess the true impact of this merger on the company's performance and future outlook. The ability to effectively integrate the acquired business and realize the expected benefits will be critical to QXO's success. Alright, that is our breakdown of QXO's latest filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps. And subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.